Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can uninstall multiple apps from your device in one attempt. For that you have to watch the full video, and if you follow my video step by step you can install every freaking app from your device in just one second. Yeah, so that's it. So let's get started. First you have to click on Play Store, and here you can see the email of you have to now click on manage apps and device. So after going there, you can see here they're showing overview. You don't need to see anything about overview. You'll just click on manage, and then from manage you can see what are those apps which are enabled in your device. So if you want to delete any of this app, like any of this multiple, triple, 4, 5, anything, like you have to just select like this, like I'm selecting, look at me, like this I want to delete, then like this I want to install this, and then I have to just click on this dustbin, and then it will automatically will be installed. So that's it guys, that's how you can install multiple apps from your device by following my steps. So that's it for today, and if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel.